Hello, everyone. I'm Austin. Today, I want to read Think About Your Thinking. Have you ever stopped to think about how you learn best? Maybe you remember new words more easily when you write them down, or you understand a story better when you read it out loud. When you think about the way you learn, you are using metacognitive skill. Metacognition means thinking about your thinking. This skill helps you plan, check, and improve the way you learn. Metacognitive skills are important because they help you become a better and more independent learner. When you use this skill, you don't just do things without thinking. Instead, you make smart choices. You ask yourself questions like, what do I already know? What is my goal? Or is this working? This helps you understand your strengths and improve your weak areas. There are three main parts to metacognitive skill. First is planning. You think about what you need to do and how you will do it. Second is monitoring. You keep checking if you understand while you are learning. Third is evaluating. You look back and ask if your learning method worked well. This step helps you stay on track and change your plan if needed. Using metacognitive skill takes practice, but everyone can learn them. The next time you study or do homework, try asking yourself simple questions before, during, and after. You will find that thinking about your thinking can make learning easier and more effective. Thank you.